तो जेल से निकलते ही अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आज कनॉट प्लेस के हनुमान मंदिर गए थे। मेरा भी फेवरेट है, जब भी दिल्ली जाता हूँ हनुमान जी के दर्शन करने कनॉट प्लेस ज़रूर जाता हूँ। बहुत ही खूबसूरत मंदिर है, दिल्ली वासियों को तो पसंद है, हम आते रहते हैं तो हनुमान जी के दर्शन करने मैं भी हमेशा जाता हूँ। एक 10 दिन पहले ही तो दर्शन कर आए थे कनॉट प्लेस में हनुमान जी के। तो सबका फेवरेट है और आज का दिन भी बहुत खूबसूरत है, शनिवार का दिन, हनुमान जी का दिन। तो चलिए, अच्छी बात है। जहाँ तक कि मार्केट की गति क्या रहेगी और दिशा क्या रहेगी, थोड़ा संभालना होगा। मार्केट में अभी बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स आ गए, केजरीवाल जी और एक एडिशन आ गए और कहते हैं 24 घंटे का काम 36 घंटे के बराबर करूंगा। चलिए, पर मैं चाहूँगा कि जो भी इलेक्शन में आ रहे हैं कंटेंडर्स, वो प्यार से सिर्फ बताएं लोगों को कि एक दूसरे की खिंचाई चलती है रहती है, लेकिन बताएं कि एग्जैक्टली हम क्या करेंगे, ताकि ये जो इलेक्शन है ना, भारत में एक प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ा रहता है, 5 साल मिल जाते हैं जो जीत जाता है। It is a very, very long time. 5 years can make or break a nation in very big way, the way the geopolitics is changing in the world. So I will like Hanuman ji ke darshan, so I would love to have also at Connaught Place, as Mr. Kejriwal ji went today. When I also land in Delhi, first thing I do that only. But we would like the contenders to tell the nation exactly what they will do once they become or come to power. आई थिंक द मार्केट विल नाउ बहुत शार्प मूवमेंट्स चालू हो जाएंगी, जो अगर आपको लास्ट 2 हफ्ते का डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ, इफ यू हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू डाइजेस्ट ओवर द लास्ट 2 weeks, देन आई एम सॉरी, इट विल बी समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर एंड मोर कमिंग ओवर द नेक्स्ट few weeks in the run up to the elections. Because you see, these elections are, firstly, if you have been watching my videos, I have been mentioning that they're coming at a rather difficult time. It's the peak of the summer. It's a long election. There's a lot of fatigue. And people are only hitting at each other. I'm hardly seeing anything by you just, or you all have a debate. 3 people who are most important. What's wrong? What is wrong? Say Kejriwal ji, Mr. Gandhi and Mr. Narendra Bhai, 3, whoever are the contenders, the main contenders, stand across and there should be a nice civilized debate. It's high time that India goes through a proper debate process. Because one person is speaking in one part of the country or दूसरा है कोई दूसरे, he's standing somewhere else and talking, that doesn't work. Okay? Anyway, the market will have many moments in terms of sharp movements. Sharpness will increase both upside, downside. And just like how you saw this week, suddenly when you think everything is down, suddenly when upside can also come. And that can really turn out to be a big setback for investors. So one needs to approach the next few weeks leading to the elections very cautiously. Of course, we have our own calculations about the elections, about what our expectations are, who will make it. We do that naturally because that leads to the stock market movements as well. So friends, do join our Akshaya Tritiya, which gives you daily predictions on the market, or the premium value, which gives you 1 week movements in advance. And the better than that is the Premium Plus, which gives you almost 12 days predictions in advance. So it's a long one, almost covers 2 weeks. Okay, that takes you towards the elections. And if you want 1 month, join Premium Elite, which will take you right up to the June 4 and beyond. The number to get in touch to join is, you can WhatsApp us on 9820861044. Happy investing. Be careful for a roller coaster ride over the next few weeks leading to the elections. Take care. Bye-bye.